Mkanete mona futhi kunjani?
Siyaphila namhlanje siyathemba uyaphila nawe.
Ndiyaphila noma.
Our favorite radio presenter.
Oh my god! Hi guys,
we are having the good vibes today.
Really? Yes,
no, the bit about this is that you are this is an educational program.
Oh, definitely.
That talks about the primary existence of human.
Okay.
Because ithetha ngento nokwenza no agriculture.
But you listen. Hi, before
on a freedom day.
I'm so pleased. Please introduce yourself. Ungubani usuka kwelephi icala?
Inkosi kakhulu. Elami igama nguTumi, sename nguSuping, ndisuka apha ephondweni. Xa ndibizwa ke kuthiwa bhuti wasephondweni okanye tata wasephondweni.
Okay, I can see your t-shirt. People go to our live. We can't skip us that is branded. So usuka apha ephondweni.
Yes, kuthiwa tata wasephondweni.
Oh, so bhuti ungutata walapha ephondweni. Ayingotata uPremier Oscar walapha. In fact, ngubhutumi utata wephondo. Ubhuti yena ngubani?
Utsepho mna igama.
Okay.
Suping ifani.
Okay. Oh, you are brothers?
Yes, we are brothers.
Oh, yes,
okay. Brothers. So there's another brother azawuthetha ngaye ke ngoba ifuna ukumthi nje 1 2.
Okay. The other. Okay, so it's not 3 brothers.
Yes, that other brother who's not around us now.
Bhuti wena ufuna uthini to the other brother?
Nifuna ukuthi happy birthday kuye.
Oh, yazalwa on a freedom day. Wale gama lakhe. Let me check out. Nkululeko.
Yes, I'm ready to Nkululeko, but uzalwe years before.
Oh,
freedom day, so he was 3 years before. Yes.
I'm now suggesting na. Uthi mani gama lakhe?
Mange igama lakhe.
Mange.
Ewe.
Bhuti Mange, cela ushintshe igama lakhe Home Affairs. Tell you tshintsha igama Home Affairs because ungunkululeko wena. Okanye usuku uzibiza freedom ke even. Akana igama lesingisi afake pha Mange freedom, you know?
But I think there was a nice concept when Betty will come, basically Mange, Nkosi. So
nurture him.
Yes, nurture him, Lord. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice name. That's a nice name, especially uye wathuka amagama.
Indoda endala le mntata sizoze wishali birthday apha ebudaleni. I think it's one of the rarest. Zange sava loo nto kwifamily.
I think it's an amazing thing. I always say this to my colleagues. Guys, ifana nami as umsasazi, there's never been a presenter ekhaya. So I'm the first generation yomawawa, yo gqugqugqu to actually have umsasazi.
Wow.
You know, it's an amazing thing. Wow. So na ke uPhutmange, shout out to uPhutmange, ukweliphi icala?
Umange useking ule mstawu.
Hayi ngumkhaya.
Umamela
molo mkhaya. Molo mkhaya, molo brother katata wephondo. Guys, thank you so much for coming through, man. As the moment esizibawelayo ezi to actually have our listeners umphulaphuli coming in efuna ubulisa. Thank you so much for listening.
Yes, I just wanted to also elaborate about the t-shirt that I'm wearing.
Okay.
What it represents, so that this is ukuthi the main focus of this Freedom Day, what it means for the t-shirt that I'm wearing.
Okay.
Guys, this is a brand that is called Ephondweni.
Okay.
Ephondweni meaning singaba sephondweni leMpuma Koloni.
Singaba lapha EC.
EC. Yes. So whenever you talk about Ephondweni, somebody knows ukuthi xa uthe ngephondo sephondweni uthetha umuntu waseMpuma Koloni.
Ndifuna ukuthi kudla ngothiwa ke thina ke size Home of Legends.
Yes, as a result eligama lithe come about from abantu suka eMpuma Koloni.
Okay.
Abangaphandle kweMpuma Koloni.
Kudla ngothiwa kuthi guys umuntu sakaGauteng.
Khumbula ephondweni. Desire ephondweni. So that's how the concept came about.
That's lovely, that's lovely.
Let's have the brand, man, that talks to us. That will represent
we reflect
us.
more on it.
Yes.
And again, uyazi babhutumi just to close off lento le ncoko yethu abantu abaninzi ndike ndibone nabanye abantu kwamanye amaphondo they always mention abana ansabaluma ngasephondweni.
Yes.
Eastern Cape people love it in as much as umuntu engakhululanga ngazalolanga apha but ke from ukubukela the distance how you are saying now basingabona abantu that we're nurturing sayithanda iphondo lethu singabantu balapha.
Yes.
I love that Phutumi. kubuxhakaxhaka nje bezinto, we need to continue with our program. But thank you so much for coming through, man.
Thanks a lot. Siyabulela nathi ngonikezwa
Okay.
just this opportunity
All right.
just to talk about this moment. Thanks a lot.
All right, thank you so
Nkosi
much.
kakhulu,
Isu-
sure.